Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to combine PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Acrobat, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Combining PDF files here in Adobe Acrobat is a simple process. So once you launch the Adobe Acrobat application, I want you to click on the All Tools section. Here, all I have to do is hover down where you can find the combined files. You see there is a three dots icon here where you can learn more, or just click on the open. Now, you can add files by clicking the button below or drag and drop them here. You can also add the current open files from below. All right, so I'm going to add open files. I'm going to click this. And of course, you can also upload your files here to combine all of them at once. Now, all I have to do is select all of them. Once you do that, you would be able to see there is an option that says combine on the top right corner. Click that. You would be forwarded here wherein you have combined two PDF files into one. All right, it's a very easy thing to do. Now, you have now the option to, instead of managing multiple individual files, combining PDFs into one. You see that? Reduces clutter and makes it easier to organize and locate your files. Having a single combined PDF is much easier to navigate, especially in the content spans multiple documents. You don't have to open and switch between files. Sending one combined file is more convenient than sending multiple PDFs. It also ensures that all related content is available in one place, making it easier for recipients to access everything, because combining PDFs saves times when dealing with numerous files. And from here, you can put in all the, for example, you want to collate that into one single file, right? Say combine. You can add some comment around here, for example, add a comment right here. Our comment is going to be this. Click on post. And after doing all of these editings here in Adobe, you might want to click on this section right here that says save to computer, download and save changes to Adobe Cloud Storage. And if you want to print this, you might want to click this option right here. All right, so you can do a lot of things here when combining PDFs or combining files here in Adobe Acrobat. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.